The reason why I'm doing this video is because I have always had a bit of a love affair with the LV brand, and it started when I was about 13 years old when I saw someone carrying a Speedy. I think it was a Speedy 25 or a Speedy 30, I can't really remember. But since that day I've always wanted to own a Louis Vuitton piece, and obviously in the early days I couldn't afford to buy this luxury brand, but as I've got older and I've been able to make money and sort of buy luxury goods, I've been able to get together quite a few pieces of Louis Vuitton handbags and other small items. So the reason why I'm doing this video is because I bought this particular piece a year ago, and it's actually a year ago this month, February 2017, and I'd noticed that bag, I'd used it a few times, well, quite a few times. I'd got quite a lot of use out of it, but I'd noticed that it had sort of deteriorated, and it deteriorated around the zip area. And unfortunately I was on holiday in Portugal and I lost part of the strap on the aeroplane as I was going to Portugal. And I thought for a long time, how am I going to get this strap back, or am I going to be able to actually replace it? So a couple of weeks ago I contacted Louis Vuitton in London, where I bought the original bag, and they said send it to us and we'll have a look at it and see what we think. And of course I was expecting that I was going to get my previous bag back, but lo and behold, they phoned me and basically said we've looked at your bag and we have noticed a couple of things that are not as they should be, and so we'd like to replace your old bag with a brand new bag, which was I was absolutely over the moon about. It was really it was great that they was going to go to that trouble to make me, the customer, feel really pleased. So my sales assistant was really good. She was called Louise, in the Bond Street shop in New Bond Street in London, and within a couple of days I'd received my brand new piece. So there's my my receipt, a new receipt for my bag, and I believe it's just a brand new receipt for a brand new piece. Don't owe anything. I paid the money a year ago, but they haven't charged me anything for this new piece, and it was sent special delivery to my home, and I was absolutely over the moon about it because I absolutely love Louis Vuitton. I haven't got a lot of pieces, but the ones I have got I do use every day, and this is sort of my first LV video on my channel, and so this is basically my brand new Speedy 30 Bandoulière, never been used, brand new, out of the box. There's my dust bag, and here is my new box. Louis Vuitton with the click opening, which is really nice for keeping your bag safe. And here is my brand new piece. Brand new, smells brand new. I haven't even used it, so this is sort of the unboxing of it. It has been sort of like in that shape. I haven't done anything with it. It does have a few little creases in it, but once I start to put things in, I know that it will start to look really good. One of the things that I noticed on my old one was the zips. They had got really stiff, which was very unusual for a Louis Vuitton piece because they pride themselves on their craftsmanship, and I know that if the bag is not 100% perfect, they would never sell it. But funny enough, when I bought my bag, they asked me to send it back to them. They did notice that the bag that I had previously bought here in the UK, which is basically cost £925 to buy, so it is not a cheap bag by any means, and but it is worth it when you realise how many years that this is going to last. I mean, I will probably pass this on to one of my daughters. I have two daughters and they both like Louis Vuitton, but right now they can't afford to buy a piece, but I will definitely pass this on to one of them. As you can see, it's brand new. The red lining inside, which is really, really nice. The zip inside is absolutely gorgeous, really smooth. It runs along. Same on the inside. I've got my number there on the inside. My pocket, really, really nice. And my strap, so I can then use it crossbody or over my shoulder, which is great. This was part of the strap that I'd lost. I lost the bit that made it crossbody, so I'm really happy to get that strap back, or a new strap. I'm absolutely over the moon. I can't tell you how happy I am about it, to be able to have that bag back again. And not only that, my old bag, but a brand new bag. And I have my lock, and my keys in my little, so I have my lock and my keys, which works, so I'm really happy about that. Nice and shiny, because I have noticed that with a Louis Vuitton lock, they do tend to tarnish quite easily over the time that you use them when they hit the atmosphere. So it's really nice to have that new. I'm absolutely over the moon. I can't get over how lucky I was that they sent me a brand new bag, because I really thought that I wouldn't be able to have that strap again. I really love this bag. It's one of my favourite pieces that I own. So I'm just clipping it on. There we go. So I can use it crossbody now, or I can use it just over my shoulder or in the crook of my arm, like most people like to carry it on the crook of their arm. But I'm really, really happy. I just wanted to share with you that, you know, if you do have a substandard piece, you think it's not right in some way, you really think it's not right, I would definitely, and you live here in the UK, I would definitely take advantage of the after-sale service from Louis Vuitton, no matter where you buy it, whether it's Birmingham or London, or, you know, wherever there is a Louis Vuitton outlet, in the shop, Louis Vuitton shop, I would definitely take advantage of that after sales. And you know, if you're not happy about something, then send it back. But I was absolutely over the moon. I was able to get this brand new bag. I haven't used it yet. I can't wait to use it, but I just thought I'd do this quick video because I really wanted you to know that, you know, if you do have trouble, if your leather cracks or anything like that, then I would not hesitate in contacting the shop you bought it, and they will, I'm sure they'll be very happy to help you. With a luxury item like Louis Vuitton, they would not want you to think that your bag was substandard. No, it was not a perfect piece, and not happy with it, because they are luxury items, they are expensive. They're not something that you would buy on a whim, unless of course you've got a lot of money to spend, and a lot of people do have that disposable income. I don't. I have to be careful what I buy and how much I spend on these things, and just to have this perfect piece again is just absolutely fantastic, and I just wanted to share that with people. As I say, this is my very first Louis Vuitton video that I've done, but I do hope that if people are interested in what I've got to say about this luxury brand, I have got a few pieces that I can show you if you're interested. But I'm really happy that I'm doing this. I really sort of like enjoy doing these sorts of things, and I hope you enjoy it too. So if you want to see more of my videos on my love of Louis Vuitton, please subscribe to my